Now, dear, your running chapter in part 4, trigonometry. We get here the NCERT questions here. First exercise here, 8.1. And here, first question is given that in triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A, cos A, and second one is the sin C and cos C. Now get the solution. Get here the solution in a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle. First we draw here the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Draw here right angle triangle. ABC. So ABC, B is a right angle. So B here is a right angle. ABC. Now given AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is given that 7 centimeter. Clear? 7 centimeter. We find the AC. Find AC. So use here the Pythagoras theorem. Use here the Pythagoras theorem. This one is the hypotenuse. This one is the perpendicular and this one is the base. So use here the Pythagoras theorem. The AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AB square is given that 24 whole square and BC is the 7 whole square. Clear? Now what is square of 24? Square of 24 is 576 and square of 7 is 49. Clear? Now the sum of these two, 9 plus 6 5, 9 plus 4 11 and plus 1 2, 5 1 6. AC square is equal to 625. So AC is equal to under root 625. A square root of 625 is 25 centimeter. Clear? Now look that find here first one here sin A and cos A. Clear? So look that sin A, so angle this one is this angle. Clear? So you know that Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. Clear? This one is the rough one. Now see here sin A. For sin A, so angle this one is a sin A. So this one is a perpendicular and this one hypotenuse and this one is the base. So we know that sin A is equal to P by H. P by H means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC is equal to 7 centimeter and AC is equal to 25. So sin A is equal to 7 upon 25. Now cos A, for the cos A, B by H, base upon hypotenuse. Base is given AB and hypotenuse is given AC. AB is 24 and AC is 25. Clear? AC is 25. This one. Now second one is called here sin C and cos C. Now see, look the figure. This one is a angle C. Angles for angle C. This one is a perpendicular. Angle C for this one is a perpendicular, and this one is the base, and just opposite, this one is the hypotenuse. So sin C is equal to you know that perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For the sin C, perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So AB is given that 24 and AC is given that 25. Similarly, cos C, for the cos C, clear? This one perpendicular, hypotenuse and base upon, this one is hypotenuse. So sin C, cos C is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Base is given here BC and hypotenuse given as AC. BC is equal to 7 upon and AC is equal to 25. 7 upon 25. This is your real answer. Clear? We discuss another question. 8.1. In the following figure, find tan P minus cot R. Clear? This one is the figure here given there. Now solution. First we draw the figure right angle triangle at point Q. Clear? This one is draw in solution R Q P, and Q is 90 degree, and hypotenuse here is given 13 centimeter, and this the perpendicular is given that 12 centimeter. Clear? Now in triangle PQR, in right triangle PQR. Clear? Use here the Pythagoras theorem. Right angle triangle. Use here the Pythagoras theorem. PR square is equal to RQ square plus QP square. Now these things is given are PR square. PR is given that 13 whole square, and we find here RQ square plus QP square is given. QP is given that 12 whole square. You know that the square of 13 is 169 is equal to RQ square plus 144. 12 square 144. So RQ square is equal to 169. This one goes side, 9 minus 144. So what we get here? 169 minus 145. So what we get here? 5 2. So Q square is equal to 25. So RQ is equal to root 25. We get here square root 5 centimeter. Clear? This one is a 5 centimeter. Now find tan P. For the tan P, so here is the angle. This one is this angle. So for this angle, this one is the base. This one is the base, and this one is the perpendicular, and this one is the hypotenuse. Clear? For the point P, this one is a perpendicular base, and this one is a hypotenuse. Use here the rough work. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले. ठीक? तो we take here tan. Tan is equal to P by B. Tan is equal to P by B. P means base. P is equal to perpendicular upon base. The perpendicular is RQ and base is given here PQ. Clear? RQ is given here. We find the RQ. RQ is a 5 and PQ is given that 12. Clear? Now similar to find what we find here, get there cot R. For the cot R, so this one is the angle, this one is the angle for angle R, this one is a perpendicular and this one is the base and this one is the hypotenuse. So cot R, so we know that just opposite, so this one base upon perpendicular, base is given here. So for the angle R, this one is the base, RQ upon PQ, RQ upon PQ. RQ is given that 5 and PQ is given that 12. Clear? What we find? Tan P minus cot R. So these values are given. Tan P's values 5 by 12 minus cot R 5 by 12, tan P or minus cot R 5 by 12. What we get here? 0. This one your answer. Now here your third question. If sine A is equal to 3 by 4 and calculate cos A and tan A. There, look at the solution. So this one here is given that sine A is equal to 3 by 4. We know that take sine A. So sine A, this one is the right, P by H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So these values is given perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Take here the right angle triangle. This one, A, B and C. This one is the base, this one is the perpendicular and this one is the hypotenuse. Now so sine is equal to P by H and P by H means perpendicular means BC upon H is equal to AC is equal to 3 by 4. So BC is given 3 and AC is given 4. Clear? Now use the Pythagoras theorem, find AB. So we use here the Pythagoras theorem. We know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So what we get here? AB square. So AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. Now here AC is given that AC is a 4 whole square and BC is given 3 whole square. Clear? 4 whole square, what we get here? 16 and minus 3 3 is 9. So what we get here? 5. So AB square is equal to 5. So AB is equal to root 5. AB is equal to root 5. AB is equal to root 5. No. Here is 7. Clear? Now we find here root 7. Clear? Root 7. So AB is equal to root 7. So find here, what we find here in questions, cos A and tan A. Find here cos A and tan A. तो cos A. So we know that right here Pandit Badri Prasad Har Boli. So now here cos is equal to B by H. B by H means base upon hypotenuse. And base is given AB and hypotenuse is given AC. So AB, B base. So base is given here root 7 and hypotenuse is given that 4. Clear? Base is given 7. Base is here is write this AB and hypotenuse is AC. Both are given. AB we find already root 7 and AC is find here 4. AC is given. Now what we get? Next one is tan A. Tan A. For the tan A, perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. The perpendicular is given that ABC. So BC upon base AB. BC is given that 3 and AB is given that root 7. BC is 3 and AC is given that root 7. This one is your answer. This one is your answer. Okay. Now look your fourth question given here 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and sec A. So this one is the solution. 15 cot A is equal to 8. So what we get here? Cot A is equal to, this one is goes in division 15. Clear? This one is clear. And cot A is equal to, what we write here? Cot is equal to base upon perpendicular. The right angle triangle. This one is the right angle triangle. A, B, C. For the angle A, this one is the right angle triangle. Base is equal to AB. So AB is 8 and perpendicular is 15. Clear? Now solve this question similar to the question number 3rd. You solve these portion. Find this one is by the Pythagoras theorem and find the other trigonometric identities sin A and sec A. Clear? It's very easy to solve themselves. Dear, now we discuss here question number 10 in 8.1. This question are similar to other questions. Now here this one is an important question, is asked in CBSE board 2010. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. Clear? Is a triangle PQR. Q is a right angle at Q. PR plus QR is 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Now solution here. Solution, let QR is equal to, let here QR is equal to X and PR is equal to, let here PR is equal to Y. Clear? Now this here is given that PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Clear? This one is given. Now PQ given that QR plus PR, QR plus PR. The QR plus PR, write down PR is equal to Y, right here, and QR is equal to X is equal to 25 centimeter. This one is clear. So Y is equal to 25 minus X centimeter. This one is clear. So this shows equation first. Let this one is equation first. Clear? Now in triangle, right angle triangle, right angle triangle PQR, right angle triangle PQR. So use here the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. This one is this right one. This one is the hypotenuse. So PR square plus PQ square. Sorry. This one is the PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. This one is clear. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. This one. Now look that here is given that PR square is Y whole square, clear, is equal to RQ X square plus 5 whole square, clear. So what we get here, what is the value of Y? Put the value of Y. Y is given that 25 minus X whole square is equal to S square plus 25. This one is clear. Now look that this one is A minus B whole square. Use here identity A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. This one is the breakdown. So what we get here, 25 whole square plus X whole square minus 2 into 25 into X is equal to X square plus 25. So what we get, square of 25. Square of 25 is 600. 25 plus X square minus 50, X is equal to X square plus 25. This one is clear. So this one is goes that side. 625 plus X square minus 50x. This one is goes minus X square minus 25 is equal to 0. Clear? So this portion is cancelled now, and minus 50x, and this one is plus 600 is equal to 0. So this one is right. 50x is equal to 600. Clear? This one, x is equal to 600 upon 50. What we get here? 12 is equal to QR. QR is equal to 12. This one is clear. The QR is equal to 12. Now from equation first. From equation first. This one is right. What we write here? Equation first is y is equal to 25 minus x. 25 minus x, and x is equal to qr. So put the value x is equal to qr. So right here y is equal to 25 minus 12. 25 minus 12, this one. 25 minus 12, so what we get here? 13. 13 is equal to PR. 13 is PR. So now sin P is equal to sin P. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Look here, this one is a perpendicular and this one is a hypotenuse. So P perpendicular, value of x. So what we get the value of x? Value of x are, write this, RQ upon PR. RQ upon PR, RQ is 12 and PR is equal to 13. Clear? Now similar cos P base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Base is given that PQ and hypotenuse is given that PR. So PQ is equal to 5 and PR is 13. Clear? This one is clear. And tan P, find the tan P. Tan P is equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan P is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is given that perpendicular is the RQ upon hypotenuse is PR. Tan P is equal to base upon PR. PB. PB means perpendicular upon base. So base is given here PQ. And this one is right now 12 by 5. 12 by 5. This one is your answer. Clear? Now we discuss here exercise 8.2. Evaluate the following. Here is given that 5 parts. We discuss here only one part. Part 4. Sin 30 degree plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 degree upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45 degree. Now solution here. Let that sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree sec upon sec 30 degree cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. We know that the values of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 60 is 2 by under root 3, tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is values 1, sec 30 is values 2 by root 3, and cos 60 is values 1 by 2. Now put the value of sin 30 is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1, we write this 1 by 1, minus cos 60 is values 2 by under root 3 upon sec 30 is values 2 by under root 3 plus cos 60 is values 1 by 2 plus cot 45 values is 1. This one is clear. Now everyone see that here LCM of these two, the way get here LCM 2 under root 2 under root 3. LCM is 2 under root 3 divided by 2, we get 1 under root 3 into 1, we get here under root 3. Clear? Plus divided by 1, these two, so we get 2 under root 3 minus we divided by under root 3 under root 3, so we get only remaining here 2. 2 into 2, 4. This one is clear. Now look that is denominator portion. Here also LCM 2 under root 3, 2 under root 3. LCM also is 2 under root 3. Clear? Divided by under root 3. Under root 3 divided by under root 3. So we get here 2. 2 into 2, we get here 4. Clear? Plus divided by 2 is cancelled. Root 3. Root 3. Clear? Plus by 1 here. 1 divided this one to 2 root 3. Clear? What we get here, these denominators are same, this portion is cancelled now. So what we get here, 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3. So this one is 3 root 3 minus 4 upon what we get here, 4 plus 3 root 3. 4 plus 3 root 3. So this one is the right now. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. So get here is what we get here. Now look that 3 plus 3 under root 3 minus 4 upon 4 plus 3 under root 3. Get this opposite sign. 4 minus 3 under root 3. Multiply in denominator also. 4 minus 3 under root 3. This portion then is multiplied here. So write this one equal to 12 under root 3 minus 27 minus 16 plus 12 under root 3 upon, in the square form, 4 whole square minus 3 under root 3 whole square. A minus b whole square. So what we get here, 12 under root 3 plus 12 under root 3, we get here 24 under root 3 and minus 27 and minus 16. This one is a minus 43 upon 16 minus 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. Clear? So what we get here, this one, let here is a minus 43 minus 24 under root 3 by minus 11. So this portion is cancelled. Minus what we get here, 43 minus 24 under root 3 by 11. Clear? That's your answer. That's your answer. Yeah. Here we discuss second questions. Choose the correct options and justify your choice. We take here the first one. First, 2 tan 30 degree is upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to, here is given the 4 options, sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sin 30. Clear? Now the solution here. Solution 2 tan 30 degree 1 plus tan square 30 degree. We know that the value of tan 30 is equal to 1 upon under root 3. Now put the value of tan 30 degree in the equation. We get here 2 into 1 upon under root 3 and 1 plus 1 by under root 3 whole square. This one is clear. Now solve that. What we get here, 2 upon under root 3, this one, and 1 plus 1 upon 3, 1 by under root 3 square, 1 by 3. So what we get here, when we the solve, 2 upon under root 3 upon, here is LCM 3, and take here 1, 1 3 is 3, and 3 times plus 1, 3 divided 3, 1, 1 into 1, 1. This one is right. 2 upon under root 3 is equal to 4 upon 3. This one is a change in the reciprocal. 2 into 3 and 4 into under root 3. This one is cancelled. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So this one is right. 3 upon 2 under root 3. Now this one, 3 upon 2 under root 3. Clear? So 3, this one is clear. So what we write this? What we write this is multiplied under root 3 into under root 3. So what we get here? 3 under root 3 upon 2 into 3, 6. So this one is 3 cancelled. What we get? Under root 3 by 2. Under root, this one is the multiplied. Just nice the denominator. Clear? So what we get here? 3 under root 3 upon 2 into 3, 6. Yeah, 3 cancel. Clear? 3 is 3 cancel. What we get? Under root 3 by 2. Under root 3 by 2 is the value of sine 60 degree. Your correct option is A. Answer A, sine 60 degree. Now discuss here 8.2 third questions. If tan A plus B is equal to under root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 upon under root 3, 0 degree is less than A plus B and A plus B is less than or equal than 90 degree. Clear? So A is greater than B. Find the value of A and B. Now given that, now solve here. Given that tan A plus B is equal to under root 3. Clear? So this one is the right here. Tan A plus B is equal to tan 60 degree. Clear? We know that. Why? Tan 60 is values. Tan 60 is values is under root 3. Clear? This one is right. Tan 60 degree. Clear? Now this one is right. Tan is tan. This one. So let this one is A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Clear? Tan A plus B is equal to 60 degree. So A is equal to 60 degree minus B. 60 degree minus B. This one is the right now equation first. This one is the right now equation first. Also given that, clear? Given here tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus B is equal to 1 upon under root 3. This one is given. So this one is right now tan A minus B is equal to tan 30 degree. Clear? Where tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon under root 3. This one is clear. So this one is right. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. This portion cancel. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Now this one is equation second. Clear? As substitute the value of A, putting the value of A in equation second. In equation second, the putting the value of A, and A's value is given here. To put the value of A's value is given 60 minus B is equal to 30 degree. So then this one is open now. 60 degree minus B is equal to 30 degree. So this one is a 60 degree minus 2B is equal to 30 degree. So this one is right now minus 2B is equal to 30 degree minus 60 degree. So this one is right, minus 2B is equal to minus 30. So this one is B is equal to minus 30 degree upon minus 2. This one is cancelled. What we get here? B is equal to 15 degree. What we get here? B is equal to 15 degree. So A is equal to, so A, put the value of, so A, so in A, so A is equal to 60 degree minus B. So we already find the value of B. Put the value of B. Here is a 15 degree. What we get here? 45 degree. Clear? So your answer is A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 15 degree. Clear?